Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your Samsung Galaxy M51, for the first you have to go for the settings. After that, let's scroll down to reach the general management, click on the language and input, tap on the on-screen keyboard and select the default keyboard. So here we got the Samsung keyboard and here it is also, so let's tap here. And right now we have to click to style and the layout and go for the keyboard themes. So here we got the 4 themes that we can set up on our keyboard, and here we got the preview how it is going to change. And I think that this one looks cool, so I'm going with this one. And that's how you can change the theme on your keyboard in Samsung Galaxy M51. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.